Honestly, a lot of our students have been struggling in the design space. We really don't care where we need to go as far as resources to bring back to the community. If we got to go to another continent, we got to go to another country, and that's what we're doing.
Hey man, we just made it to Mexico. Nice 2-hour flight. It's beautiful out here. Temperature, weather is good. Now it's time to go handle some business, baby.
P picked us up, man. P, say what up.
We're about to head over to their design studio where they have all their employees and take a look at their operation. So it's gonna be a jam-packed day, and we fly back tomorrow. So we literally came for 24 hours to get access to these resources for you guys.
Hi, we're CCI Houseplants, and we just had a meeting with the TGB.
We're going to be providing them with CCI house plans that have been pre-designed, pre-permitted.
And streamlining the building permit process as well as the planning portion of it, along with support services in the green and energy and permit expediting. Well, I think one of the biggest benefits is that we have enough staff. We have ICC certified staff and master architects that are very seasoned in building codes. You guys are in a learning process. Everyone's new to the industry. We're here to provide support and knowledge and share that with you to make that a success for you out in the field.
Man, I'm really excited. Came down here to Mexico to see their operation. I was floored. I've been blown away. We formulated a plan. We have a method on how they're going to communicate with our students, how our students can communicate with them. These guys build, these guys design. They are getting into bonded contracting. They do expediting. They will help with our due diligence. They have all their drafters in-house. They're literally going to be a one-stop shop resource for our students, not just to learn and to grow, but also to do business with from a service standpoint.
A trusted resource for you guys, a resource that's reliable, proven, knowledgeable, everything that you guys need in the realm of architecture and engineering. We vetted them, we know their work, and we're coming together now as a collaborative effort to make sure that you guys have successful plans that you're able to get from these guys and take right into the city to receive your permits. So it's gonna be great working with these guys, and I can't wait. So next, what we're gonna do is we're headed out to a couple of development sites here in the area, just looking around, seeing what development looks like, seeing how we can expand into a different market, create something bigger, create something greater for the TGB community.
We're excited. We just finished the first day of the tour, about to stop and get us something to eat at the steakhouse. But man, they've been hospitable, have shown us everything that we need to know. I think this is gonna be a solid partnership. What you think?
Listen, man, I'm just looking forward to what's to come, the expansion of TGB, the partnership with CCI. Like, we're talking right now about how we can start developing out here in this country,
Absolutely.
Man. So listen, you guys stay tuned for what's to come, man. TGB, man, big things coming.
We're going to eat, baby.
I'm starving.
We've been all day. We're going to
We've
eat.
been working for y'all. We ain't even eating today.
Yeah, hanging out with Paul and them, we eating.
Yeah, man, it was a long day today, but it was a fruitful day. It was a prosperous day, but now it's time to get rested up to do it all over again tomorrow. We're gonna go check out some other properties. We're gonna go see what else he has at the other service center that he has. But looking forward to coming back, bringing everything back to TGB. What's going on, TGB family? Day 2, we about to get started. About to get some breakfast, and then we're gonna go take a look at some plans that they've designed for our first big development for our 16 students out in Forney. But overall, man, this has been a great trip. They have truly rolled out the red carpet for TGB. Not only have they tried to earn our business, they also want us to help them out in growing their business as well. So looking forward to the collaboration, looking forward to today. Taking our final tour of CCI plans. On our way out, we just wanted to take a picture with the staff here. They're putting together about 5 different plan sets for us right now. We're looking forward to this new partnership.
I think the entire trip in a whole was very productive, very beneficial to the TGB community. What CCI has to offer is unmatched across the board.
Everything has been just tailor-made for our success. So I'm looking forward to working with them. I hope our other trades really elevate themselves to the same level as CCI.
Listen, man, they have set the bar for partnerships and joint ventures, man. So like bro said, you guys need to step your game up now because CCI has set the mark for what you guys need to be doing in partnership.
Going to the airport, the actual founder and CEO of CCI is traveling back with us. Their head of expediting is also traveling with us, Paul or Pasquale, which led you guys' training class. But we're already ready, just get back, get focused, and start working.